Hi guys, this is our EVE 302 project. I'm Dominic.
I'm Brandon.
And I'm Molly.
So for the first part of the project, we are here at Tempe Town Lake, and we're using these pool and spa test strips to determine things like hardness, chlorine concentration, alkalinity, pH, etc. So let's take out one of these bad boys. Right there. And we're gonna dip it in the water for 2 seconds and then wait a couple of seconds for the results to take place. Okay, so colors are already changing, as you can see. And if we match this up with what the bottle says, you can see that the pH is at least 9, which is a little concerning. The alkalinity is very high, way higher than the range it should be in. Cyanuric acid seems to be about right. Chlorine is very low, not in the range it needs to be. And hardness, I honestly can't tell by this color. Looks to be a little high. All right, we'll check back in. We're back, and now I'm at my swimming pool in my neighborhood, just to give you a comparison to what properly treated water looks like. So I'm gonna dip the strip in the water and we're gonna look at the results again. So come closer. So now comparing these results, as you can see, the pH is looking much more normal. It's much lighter. The rest of the colors are also looking like they're in the healthy range.
Yeah, I can see it from here, they match.
So that will be the goal with the sample of lake water. All right, thanks guys.
Hi, this is Molly again. So here's 3 of our samples from Tempe Town Lake to test for the E. coli level in the water, and this is before the treatment or chlorination of it. So as you can see, all 3 of the test tubes are kind of a light orange-pink color, which indicates that it's about 1 CFU per milliliter, which means that extreme caution should be used when going into the water, swimming, coming into like any sort of contact with it, because it is not a safe level for E. coli. So we're gonna go over to Brandon and see what happens after treatment.
Hello, this is Brandon again. This is the Tempe Town Lake water that we gathered earlier. We're testing the pH again. pH is still 9.0. So for chlorine to work properly, it needs to have a pH of around 7.4. So we're gonna lower the pH using this Clorox product that is supposed to lower the pH. So I'll add a little bit. Usually these are added in large quantities, but because of it's just a little bit, we're not adding too much. And now we wait, and I'll get back to you once the results are found. We're back with the Tempe Town Lake water to test the pH again after trying to lower its pH. So right now the pH is much lower than 9.0, so the chlorine should be able to work now. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of chlorine, and then we're gonna wait until 30 minutes is up for the chlorine to do its work. It's been 30 minutes, so I'll start pouring the chlorinated water into the test tube.